Hi, welcome to the MVP Goddess channel. Today I want to go over this edit parameter values button and show you a couple really cool things that you can do either with a schedule or in your model under via a category. So first let's start with the schedule. So if I go back in and I say edit parameters while in my schedule, you can see it's already picked up with schedule, but you can also pick from a drop down if you're not in the schedule. But basically, once you're in here, if I wanted to start adding items to my schedule, I could. So like voltage, right? 240. And I went over this in another video, but you drag just like you would in Excel, and you have options for fill copy, plus increment, or custom increment. And you can add things right to this. And then you say update values and you'll see that it'll go through. So if I hit close, those values are now in here under voltage, but you can also use edit parameter values while in just your model under category. So if I go down and let's do duct systems. And the important thing to me, let's say, is the abbreviation. Let's see, I don't need family name. Let's go abbreviation, description, and type name. But we also have some options up here, right? We have instance parameters, we have type parameters. We have show only editable, show common, and show built-in. So you basically filter out to whatever you want, right? This is what's important for me for my duct systems. I'm gonna hit OK. And when I'm looking at this information, I can see, well, for abbreviation, my supplier has an abbreviation, but nothing else does, right? So if I wanted to add one, so let's do return air and exhaust air, and I say update values, two parameters were updated. And now if I go down and like look at, I think this is supply, right? Yep, so you can see the essay is already there, but let's bloom this guy and we'll get us some return. And now if we look at our return air, you can see the system abbreviation is set now too. So pretty awesome feature, you know, simple little automations that can help your day make things a lot easier. And I just thought I would let you guys know. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for stopping in.